Early in the morning, man. Already, man. Goddamn 4 in the motherfucker be morning, man. Hey, old girl need a boost right there in that. Hey, old girl need you to put some oil in that car. Say she give you $5.
Nigga, I ain't scared.
There she is. She in the driver's seat right there. In that red car. In the red car.
On Jesus.
On Jesus. Real talk. Man, look at this nigga, man. What kind of shit is this, man? This bitch done pulled a nigga Caprice in the middle of the thing because he got another bitch in the room. Look. He finna put some all in her shit. Yeah. This shit hell, man. Look at this little bitch, man. This nigga got this regular Caprice out here, man. Yeah, alright. What you need? Hold on.
I already put that on camera.
Hold on, man. I'm finna donate you. I got it. I'm finna. Yeah, you can come get it, man. Come get it. Come get it, man. I'm gonna bless your game. Hold on real quick. Let me put the phone down.
There
you go, man.
Oh, gee, say you.
I donated him $1, man.
But say, look out, baby.
Real talk, man.
Say, but we say the poor got mowers, baby.
Yeah, man.
Say, look out, when you get mowers, see the penny gonna grow.
What you say gonna happen?
Say, when you get mowers, the penny gonna grow.
Okay then, goddamn me.
Now you just playing with me now, huh?
I ain't playing with you now, man.
Say, always been my idol, baby. Hustle.
Hey, man. Say, you make sure you tell him, man, Muscle Car Dallas bless your game, man.
More than that, bless the game, baby.
Muscle Car Dallas, not Madagascar do.
Mustard Car Dallas is loving the game, baby.
Alright, you be good, man.
Don't love him back.
Alright, man. Good night, man.
Say.
You have a good day.
Say, sick one of them down here on me.
Alright. I ain't got no more, man. I don't fuck around like that no more, man. I done got away from all the hoes and shit, man.